afternoon, everybody. I'm Jacob Pace in the marketing department with Guaranty RV. This afternoon, I'm going to be talking about a 2016 Tiffin Allegro. If you haven't heard of these, you got to check them out. They're fantastic. We've got a bathroom. Now, the toilet's split away from the shower and the sink, but where the toilet is, you've got a door to close it off, and you've got another sink and a little countertop. You've got a great looking bed. You've got two TVs. You got a couch. You got an extra real comfy swivel chair. I sat down, I almost took a nap, but I didn't. Driver's seat, passenger seat, super comfortable. You got a slide out dinette. You've got a stovetop. You got a fridge. You've got a sink. Yeah, I mean, you could put a chef in this thing and make a great meal. That's all I'm telling you. This baby's ready to hit the road. Give us a call today at Guaranty. The number's right down here. There's an email too. Get in touch with our sales staff. They're fantastic. They'll take care of you. They'll put you on a test drive. They'll show you around. They'll show you other products if you're looking for something else. Give us a call. We want to help you out.